Here is a wonderful 2017 GMC Yukon XL. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This exceptional Yukon XL delivers rugged performance, refined comfort, and plenty of room for passengers and cargo, thanks to its extra-long wheelbase. Your options for towing and road tripping are wide open in this full-size SUV with an oversized appetite for adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, intelligent auto on-off high beams, wireless charging station, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof. Don't cut corners. This impressive Yukon XL has the space and capability you need. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.